Christmas vibe is rolling in with the first snowflake on the skin. We gather around the family pack to fill the tree in the Santa sack. The lights are up, the mood is bright, but there's a secret plan tonight. The grown-ups smile, but the smile is fake. There's only so much jingle bells we can take. Those little eyes are staring, watching every move, killing the vibe, yeah, killing the groove. Oh, oh, when's Enrico? The smiles are frozen, the patience is thin. We're just waiting for the real fun to begin. We love you to death, yeah, you're cute and sweet, but get your little butts under the sheet. We're waiting for the silence, we're waiting for the peep. The party goes off when the kids go to sleep. Uncle Dave is checking his watch. He's dying to pour out a glass of scotch. Mom is hiding gifts on the top of the shelf. She's about to lose control of herself. Please stop shaking boxes, go brush your teeth. We've got the good stuff underneath the wreath. Read a story, drink some milk, close your eyes tight.
Are they out yet?
Did you hear a noise?
Check the hallway.
Check the monitor. The coast is clear. The coast is clear. The smiles are frozen, the patience is thin. We're just waiting for the real fun to begin. We love you to death, yeah, you're cute and sweet, but get your little butts under the shade. We're waiting for the silence, we're waiting for the peep. The party goes off when the kids go to sleep. When the kids go to sleep, turn the music up. Merry Christmas to the grown-ups.
Good night.